start this install, we are going to clean everywhere we will be sticking lights to. Make sure you spend time doing this, as it is crucial to give the lights a clean surface to stick to. Since this is an electric cart, I had to use a 12 volt DC converter to convert the 48 volt batteries to a 12 volt output for the controller. I connected the XKCHROME controller's positive and negative wires to the corresponding output wires of the DC converter. I installed the controller under the seat to make for a clean install and so I could run the wire straight down to the first tube. I dropped a 36-inch extension wire down to the first 24-inch tube and stuck it to the frame rail. We recommend using our U-shaped mounts to install all 24-inch hard tubes, but if you cannot fit one where the light is being installed, be sure to use zip ties as a precaution along with the 3M tape. From there, I attached another extension in the 10-inch strip in the wheel well. Then we are going to continue connecting the lights into the daisy chain. From the wheel well, I put another 24-inch tube under the front, then a 10-inch strip in the other wheel well. We will connect it to a 24-inch tube on the other side frame rail, then run a wire up to the rear wheel well to connect a 10-inch strip. From that strip, we will drop down to a 24-inch tube under the back of the cart, and finally connect a 10-inch strip in the remaining wheel well. After the underglow is finished up, we will install the interior lighting. I had to fish the wire down through the tubing from the roll cage, then connected the 24-inch tube to the splitter coming out of the interior side of the controller. Finally, I connected the 6-foot extension wire to the splitter and ran it under the cart and through the firewall to put a strip under the dash. We have developed this kit to be capable of multiple configurations to ensure the best fit on your golf cart. Here are 2 configuration options that you can use as guides for this kit. As you can see, the install we did on our cart was set up differently because there is a better way to install the lights on that specific cart. This kit allows you to get creative and install the lights to best fit your cart, giving you the opportunity to customize your golf cart with the best light effect.